Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you all a quick Rhaenyra update. We are still on the wig, but I'm on the front now. So I wanted to show you how small these knots are on the front, because I know you guys have had questions about how big knots are towards the front of a wig, and I will show you. Okay, so what you're looking at is the sideburn on the right side of my Rhaenyra wig. And I am literally putting in 1 to 2 hairs along the edge of this front. Now, when it gets a little further back, it's like 3 or 4 hairs with mixed in 1 or 2 hairs. But when you are tying hair onto a front of a wig, it really is maximum 4 hairs per loop. Like, it's so small. Focus. There we go. Like right there. See how tiny? Anyways, I have this much left to do, then we'll be done.